Design and display. The original 8110 wasn't nicknamed the banana phone for nothing. Like its predecessor, the new Nokia 8110 4G has an obvious curvature to its body, allowing the microphone and earpiece to sit snugly against your face when taking a call. It sits less well in the pocket though, with the chunky design and bend causing problems when trying to slide it into skinny jeans. Even more forgiving pockets don't completely solve the comfort issue. Maybe there's a reason this design didn't catch on more. The plastic body is solid, so it should be able to stand up to a few knocks, but it's the sliding keypad cover which has stolen our heart a little. Sure, it's a bit of a gimmick, but there is something deeply satisfying when sliding the cover up and down. The click it makes as it docks and undocks from below the screen and the smooth sweeping motion as you run it up and down its tracks is almost hypnotic. A nice touch is that the cover wakes the screen when slid down, and turns it off when you return it to its closed position. You can still illuminate the screen with the cover up, by pressing the power key on the right side of the handset, but you won't be able to actually use the phone. That's because the 2.4-inch QVGA 160 by 120 display isn't touch-sensitive and all your navigation keys are hidden beneath the cover. The screen is fine for reading text and viewing basic images and games, but you won't be enjoying works of art or movies on this phone. As we've already alluded to, the Nokia 8110 4G comes on black and an extremely vibrant banana yellow. It also features a headphone jack and FM radio app, along with 4 GB of storage, allowing you to listen to music with a set of headphones.